Hey everybody. I'm going to show you how to use Google Drawing. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to give a title to your drawing. We are doing or using Google Drawing to create memes out of the paintings that we chose in the checkup quiz. So the title that you should use is your name. So I'm putting Nina, and I would put meme. So Nina meme, or whatever your name is, and meme. So I know that it is for the meme assignment. So what you're going to do is, as read in the directions for the checkup quiz, after you take your checkup quiz and after we have our discussion about the paintings that you chose that represent how you feel during virtual learning, what you're going to do is you're going to open a new tab and you're going to Google search the name of the painting that you chose. So for me, the painting that I chose to represent my mood of the virtual learning environment was the Ophelia painting. So I'll Google search the painting. There it is. Go to my images, and then I'm going to download it. So I'll click on the image that I want. I want to right click, save image as, click save. It's going to automatically download to my computer. So then I'm going to pop back into my Google Drawing tab. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to upload that photo that I just downloaded. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and then go to Upload from Computer. So then my downloads window pops up. I'm going to click on the picture that I just saved. I'm going to click Open, and there it is. So now what I'm going to do, so what you want to do is you want to make this picture the whole size of the drawing canvas. And if it doesn't, fit completely, just make it the width of it and then just like scoot it down into the middle there and make it even. So now that I've adjusted my image size, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. So usually in a meme, you can add either just white text. So I'll go up here to the text box tool. I'll click on top of my image. And I'll just want to make my text box big enough. And then I can change my text color to white. And you want to choose a font that matches like the traditional meme font. So I might choose Impact because it's that sort of thicker text. And I want to make sure that my font size is big enough. So I'll choose 18 for now. I could make it bigger. So now I chose Ophelia, this painting, to represent how I feel about virtual learning because I tend to feel like I'm always drowning in writing lessons for my classes. So I can say like how I feel planning my virtual lessons. And then that's, really small. I might want to bump it up to like 30. Still kind of small. Let's try 36. Meh. 48. Too big. There we go. That's the one right there. And then if you want to make sure that your text is in the center, just go over here to Align and pick the center. And then you can go to Align again and make sure that it's in the middle of the text box. So you could leave it like this. I could move it if I want. If I don't want it at the top, maybe I want to move it towards the bottom. I can move it over, see how that looks. If I don't like the look of just the white text, what I can do is I can go to Shapes and I can pick the Square Shape tool and I can choose to make a header box. And you know how sometimes in memes you can see Like it has like a white box at the top with the text in it. So I could make that white by going over here to the fill bucket to change the color of the box. I could change the color of this to black, and then I can move this up here. If it goes behind it, all you have to do is just right click, go to order, and then click send backwards. And now your text is in front. So then I can adjust it, make sure that it's centered, and then you could keep it like that. If I want to go a little extra step, I could add another text box. You know how sometimes memes have whatever, like the person in the picture could be like having like a speech bubble or saying something. So if I wanted to, I could add more text. I could change it white. I could make it bold. And then I can say like maybe the girl is saying something like, help me, I'm drowning in work. Make it a little bit larger to make it easier for my viewer to see. I can adjust this box. Up here, this little lollipop, you can rotate. So maybe I want to rotate my saying. Maybe I want to make it smaller, like this. So now I created a meme, all right? So what you're going to do is to upload this to your Google Classroom, all you have to do is go to where it says add from Drive. So where it says in your assignment to add a file, you would choose from Drive because it's a Google application, it automatically saves to your Drive. So look, if I go to my Drive right now and I go to recent, there it is right here. So it automatically saves. It says Nina Meme. So when you go to your Google Classroom assignment and click add or create, and then choose from Drive, your Drive will pop up and the first thing that you'll see is the meme that you created. You'll click on your meme and then all you have to do is click turn in. And that's how you do it. So have fun with creating these memes. I'm really excited to see what you come up with. Please make sure that your memes are appropriate. You can make them funny. You make them as humorous as you want. You could really get creative with this to explain to me and the rest of the world how you're feeling right now about virtual learning. And we can use these images to help drive our message. And again, these are to be funny. So make sure that you are appropriately funny if you can be. So good luck, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks, guys.